Now, to accept and confirm,
Parents, let us hear your pledge of support for your boys. May I call on Mr. Jonathan De Ario to lead the Parents' Pledge of Support.
Parents, please stand up and raise your right hand. Parents' pledge of support. I pledges to do my best to extend full support to the Scouting movement, to the leaders who are taking and guiding our sons in the right path